superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go, but not just any old wash and go. I am going to be doing a wash and go by the black owned company Camille Rose Signature Collection. I will be going with Camille Rose, the black owned hair company, and I will be starting with the Sweet Ginger Shampoo Cleansing Rinse. Then I'm going to follow it up with the Deep Conditioner Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask, Cocoa and Mango Butter. And then I will use the leave-in. I didn't want to buy a full bottle of leave-in because I already have enough leave-in. So I'm going to go with this package of Curl Love Moisture Milk leave-in, which contains rice milk and macadamia oil. And then I will follow it up with the gel, and it's the Curl Maker Marshmallow and Agave Leaf Extract. I will only be using this gel. I will not be chasing it with any other gel, just to see how the product does on my hair by itself. Alright, so let's get started. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright, so we're going to get right into this shampoo. We're going to see how it goes. Alright guys, so after thoroughly saturating my hair, I used an ample amount of the cleansing shampoo. I definitely liked it. I liked the smell. It felt like it was cleansing my hair very well. It does not give that much slip, but it definitely got my hair super clean. So we like that. Okay, after I rinsed it, I gave myself one other shampoo, and now I'm going to take a shower. So I'll see you guys. Alright, fresh out the shower. I actually like the shampoo. It's very cleansing. It smells clean. It smells clean, if that makes any sense. It doesn't really give any slip. I can tell. I wouldn't suggest combing through your hair while you have the shampoo in there, because it gave no slip. But we're going to move right on into the Camille Rose Algae Renew with cocoa and mango butter. It's a deep conditioning mask. So I'm going to saturate my hair with the mask. Okay, I definitely smelled the mango and the cocoa, and this is the consistency of it. Very, very thick. So we're going to go ahead and apply that liberally through the head and see if this gives any slips when I comb it through. I don't know, this don't feel like it's going to give any slip either. So we about to see. Alright, I'm going to comb it through. It's not really giving any slip either, but my hair is not really tangled, so I guess it's okay. Smells really good. Smells really good. Like you can eat it good. But as far as slip, nope, no slip. But that's okay, because the proof is in when you rinse it out. Put a little bit more in. Back. Right, the proof is when you rinse it out. Alright. Good thing the stuff doesn't just come out, because basically spilled the jar in the sink and nothing came out. I'm gonna go ahead and put my plastic cap on for 20 minutes and sit under the dryer. That's what it says to do. Or I'm sure if you don't have a dryer, you can just sit with it on a little bit longer. So it says begin with the Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. Apply an ample amount to dry or wet hair. Leave on for 10 minutes, then cool rinse while detangling with a wire tube comb. Or it says detangle while with a cool rinse. So it says 10, but I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. And then I'll let you guys know. I'm not going to rinse it out on camera, but I'll let you guys know when I do rinse it out, did it give slip when I was detangling it. So I'll be right back in about, well, I'll be right back, but I'm going to let this sit for 20 minutes. Hi guys, so I am back, and I just rinsed out the deep conditioner, and they were right. I let it sit for 20 minutes, and then I rinsed it with cool water, and my hair had the perfect slip. I was able to comb through it freely, so good job. That was good. My hair feels, well, let's take this off first. Let's see how amazing it feels. It felt amazing when I first rinsed it out. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's nice and soft. Yeah, I like that. It is nice and soft. Alright, so we're going to get started. I am going to go ahead and put the leave-in that I brought. I just bought the Curl Love Moisture Milk leave-in. And I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my head. Doesn't really smell like anything. We're just going to saturate our hair with that. All over. Well, now that I'm smelling it, I guess it's, I don't know, it smells milky. Rice, milk, and macadamia oil. Yeah, it smells milky. That's what it smells. That's what I'm smelling. Milk. All over. Make sure I use this whole package. And it's very creamy. Very, very creamy. So we like that it's not liquidy. Alright. And once again, I didn't buy the oil, the Camille Rose oil. So I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp with the melanin oil because I got so much oil everywhere that I don't want to invest in no more oil until I use up what I got. So we're going to go ahead and oil our scalp real good. Like such. I'm going to massage that in. My scalp real good. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some all over my hair as well. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair in 4. And we're going to get started on this wash and go. Alright guys, so my hair is sectioned in 4. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my secret weapon. I've shown it before. It's not so secret. But just in case you haven't seen any of my videos, I'm going to show you. It's this little brush. This is what I use for my wash and goes. Love it. Love it. I don't have to shingle. I don't have to twist. I don't have to do none of that coil. I just break this through with the gel and we are good to go. I bought this from the dollar store. They sell it right at the dollar store. They sell them online too, but you can get these at the dollar store for $1, period. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I like that the Curl Maker Marshmallow Agave Leaf Extract has a pump. We love that. We love that. Alright, let's get started and go ahead and section off the first section. Okay, take about that much. Go ahead and clip that up. And we're going to just go ahead and take a generous amount in the pump. Of course, it's taking a long time to pump. Maybe we don't like the pump so much. I have to take it off. Alright, I'm going to take this much to start. So we'll see. Go ahead and just run that through real good. And I'm going to take my brush and just comb it all the way through till it's detangled like such, and just let it be. Let's see. Y'all see that? Is it coiling up nicely? I can't see. Let's see. Okay, looks decent. Alright, let's go ahead and finish with do another section. Let's go ahead and do another section. A little bigger this time. I don't like to play around. You know what I'm saying? Let's get her done. Like I'm playing around with this damn pump. I'm gonna have to take this top off. Sounded good, but I don't know. Take that much. Probably gonna need a little bit more for this section. Go ahead, saturate that. I'm gonna take it all the way. Just take it to the end and let it go. What y'all think? Alright, so we can go ahead and finish this back up. So one section with, and then this is the section without So we're gonna go ahead and finish up this whole back. All right, so I'm done with the whole back. This is the back section, fully done with the product. We're gonna get started on the sides. My hair holds water fairly well. I usually don't have to spray it till I do get to the front, but it's definitely starting to dry out a little bit. Okay. I like that. I like it a lot. I don't know if I like this smell or hate this smell. I'm trying to figure it out. Alright guys, so this is me with all of the product in my hair and it's wet. This is the back. I can tell it's going to draw up like crazy, but hey, that's kind of hair I got. Shrinkage is real. I'll come back to you guys when I'm about 85 to 90% dry and then probably kind of stretch it out a little bit, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Alright guys, so I am back. It's the end of the day. And I must say, Camille Rose is doing its thing. My hair is 100% dry. And I was going past the mirror today at work and looking, checking on it and looking at it as it was drawing it up. And it didn't give me a super draw up. This side, I guess, I love this side. But I don't think I put enough product on this side. If you know what I mean. Like, I think after about 2-3 days, the side is probably going to frizz up. Like, I might have to put on more product. But look, I'm loving it. My curls are defined. I mean, they look good. Look at that. Look at that. We are not even going to talk about this back of my hair. I'm going to show y'all, but my hair usually never gets this defined in the back. The back is my problem area. This side actually is perfect. I know it looks all clumped up, but you see how it is? It's clumped up. It's all the way dry. I am going to pull it apart a little bit, and I am going to stretch my hair, but I know for a fact, like this side, it gives me a little bit of crunch, but not too much. Like, my hair is shakeable. It's movable. I can do this. I'm going to show y'all this back. Look at the back of my hair. Look how defined the back of my hair is. Do y'all see this? Look at that. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Is the shrinkage real? Yeah, the shrinkage is real. Y'all see it. But it is gorgeous. So I am going to stretch it out. And like I said, this is just using the Camille Rose curl maker. And it made me some curls. I must say, it made me some curls. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this out a little bit. And then I'm going to stretch it out with the blow dry a little bit. Not much. Like I said, this side, I don't have to do anything to this. This is about where I'm at when I do want to stretch it on that side. But we're going to fluff it up, because I do like my hair a little bigger. So let's just go and fluff it up. I'm not going to pull the curls apart too much. A little bit more on this side. I would like it up a little bit more on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and lift up in here, lift up in here. And like I say, I don't have to pull the curls apart there. We're gonna separate some of these curls. Let's separate some of these curls. Alright guys, so this is me all stretched out. I'm super impressed. I did stretch it out with the blow dryer for about 10 minutes, just pulling on it as you saw, and putting it on like medium high heat, not high heat. This is the back all stretched out. One disclaimer about my back is super curly. When I go to bed tonight and I sweat, I will pineapple it, but it's going to be right back shrunken. So I probably will stretch it out again in the morning. I know some people say they got looser hair in the back. My tighter curls are in the back and my looser hair is on the side. So pineapple does the best for me. Some people are saying that if they have looser hair in the back and tighter hair on top, they take a scarf and just take it to the back and let the back hang. But I have to pineapple my hair. So yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with this Camille Rose. It's gorgeous. It's soft. It's shakeable. It's stretched well without losing any shape. Yeah, it's good. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Check out some of my other videos. And go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. Give me a big thumbs up, guys. And I really hope to see you in the next video. I am on the road to 3,000. So hit that subscribe button and get on this superstar team. Thank you, guys. Love you. Bye.